If you've ever had more than one audience in Mailchimp and wanted to clean things up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge audiences in Mailchimp step by step, so you can combine your contacts into one place and keep your account more organized. This is super helpful if you accidentally created multiple audiences, if you're reworking your email list setup, or if you simply want to manage your subscribers more efficiently. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, use the search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type audience, then press enter. This is the quickest way to get to the audience management area without digging through every menu. After the search results load, click on Manage Audience. This takes you to the section where you can work with your audience settings and list tools. Now, on the audience management page, look for the Manage Audience drop-down. Click that drop-down to reveal more options. In this menu, scroll down until you see Combine Audiences. This is the tool Mailchimp gives you for merging one audience into another. Click on Combine Audiences to start the process. At this point, Mailchimp will ask you to choose which audiences you want to combine and which one should be the main audience you keep. Select the audience you want to merge from, and then choose the destination audience where the contacts should end up. Make sure you review this carefully because the selected audience will become your primary list. Once everything looks right, confirm the action by selecting and combining the audiences. Mailchimp will then begin merging the contacts and organizing them into the destination audience for you. Depending on the size of your lists, this may take a moment, but once it's done, your audiences will be combined and easier to manage from one central place. After that, it's a good idea to double check your audience settings, review your subscribers, and make sure everything transferred the way you expected. That way, you can be confident your merged audience is clean and ready to use for future campaigns. And that's it. You now know how to merge audiences in Mailchimp. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.